In this video, I talk about fallopian tube blockage. This is a summary of my acquired knowledge over the time. Therefore, this PowerPoint presentation is for information purpose only and does not substitute expert medical advice. On the other hand, I have included a lot of information here. Hope it is worth your time for watching my video. I'm trying to present all the facts I have learned. I will also provide my thoughts and help you to make your decision. Partially or completely obstructed fallopian tube can prevent or reduce the chance of natural conception. My definition of obstruction here is scarring, adhesion, or infection. That is not complete damage on both sides of the tube. Therefore, we may find a way other than IVF or surgery to address the challenge. Most common cause of obstruction is infection. Sexually transmitted infections can cause permanent damage to a woman's reproductive system. Generally, we may have three ways to address the obstruction challenge. One is IVF. If both tubes were severely damaged, then maybe you should go directly to IVF, because the earlier you go, the higher the chance you may get successful IVF. On the other hand, people may take dietary supplements to try to see if the tube can be unblocked. And in addition, people have to make changes on their lifestyle to maximize the chance of unblocking the tubes. I encourage people to try routes other than IVF or surgery. It's because the beauty of natural conception. IVF is very expensive even if you have health insurance. IVF is usually performed by very experienced physicians and their lab technicians. However, IVF is a complex series of procedures. Mature eggs are collected from ovaries and fertilized by sperm in a lab. Then the fertilized eggs or embryos are transferred to a uterus. One full cycle of IVF takes about 3 weeks. Sometimes these steps are split into different parts and the process can take longer. In the end, experienced physicians and technicians make choices for you. How about you take the control? Give it another try and go natural conception via dietary supplements and lifestyle changes route. There are risks there, but we can manage the risks. Take dietary supplements has risks. Here's a quote from FDA sites. The FDA does not have authority to approve dietary supplements for safety and effectiveness, or to approve their labeling before the supplements are sold to the public. In other words, safety and effectiveness of dietary supplements are not guaranteed. People pick dietary supplements by word of mouth. Serapeptase is one of them. Serapeptase is a chemical taken from the silkworm. Japan's largest drug maker, Takeda, recalled their drug serapeptase due to efficacy. It was proved that serapeptase is not better than a placebo, despite lots of people believed its anti-inflammatory effect. That was an example of effectiveness risk. Let's check another type of the dietary supplement, herbal remedies. While some herbal remedies may have potential benefits for women's reproductive health, there's no scientific evidence to suggest that any specific herb or herbal remedies can effectively treat or cure fallopian tube blockage. Many supplements contain ingredients that have strong effects in the body. Additionally, some supplements can interact with medications. If you have underlying health condition, if you are taking prescription medicine, if you combine supplements or mixed medicines and supplements, you need to talk to your healthcare professional to manage the safety risks. There are several natural remedies. Ginger, vitamins, minerals may help support the health of reproductive system and reduce inflammation, reduce scarring, promote hormonal balance. The key words here are anti-inflammation, adhesion reduction, and scar tissue reduction, hormonal balance restoration. 益母草 and 新鲜草 is a herb remedy. Word 草 C-A-O means herb. The two types of herb, 益母 and 新鲜, are used for anti-inflammation in Chinese traditional medicine, presumably would benefit inflammation-caused fallopian tube blockage. I place additional link in the description for 益母草 and 新鲜草. It is worth to take a close look on the product. In addition of herbal remedies, lifestyle changes would help too. Stay away from sexually transmitted infections, avoid smoking, and avoid excessive alcohol consumption.